Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. So, the first thing that you can do is change the power mode of your battery. To do that, right-click the battery icon on your status bar, go to Power and Sleep Settings, and here go to Power Mode and change it to Best Power Efficiency. You can do this for both plugged in and on battery settings. And the next thing that you can do is lower your screen brightness, as the screen brightness is one of the main battery consumer on your laptop. So to do that, tap on the three icons on your status bar and just move the slider to the point to the left, to the point where you're still comfortable with your screen brightness level. And you can also do this by using F4 and F5 buttons on your keyboard. And if these buttons don't do that, then simply use Fn button, which is located next to your Windows button, and Escape button, combination of keys, and make sure that you see this locked Fn key icon on your screen. And next thing that you can do is check which applications on your laptop consume the most battery power and turn them off if you don't need them. To do that, right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, and in the Task Manager what you have to do is right click one of the columns you can see right here and select Power Usage. Now sort the applications by power usage and detect which ones use the most of your battery power. And if you want to close such application, simply right click on it and select End Task, and this will close the application, the power consuming application. And now the next thing that I want to mention is connected devices. Devices that are connected to your laptop can also consume your battery power, and especially let's talk about Bluetooth devices. So tap on the three icons on your status bar again and take a look at the devices that are currently connected to your laptop. You can do this. You can disconnect them by clicking on such device and selecting disconnect. If this option appears next to the device, if it doesn't, it means that this device is disconnected. And you can also turn off the Bluetooth, which also takes some of your battery resource, if you of course don't need it. And now the next thing that I want to tell you about is updates, and you can find the updates for your laptop both in settings, in Windows update section. You can check for updates and see if there are any to be installed. You can also go to advanced options and select optional updates and find if there are any optional updates available, and if there are, then go ahead and install them. That's actually very good for your device's battery and productivity in general. And you can also use the MyASUS application, which should be pre-installed on your PC, but if for some case it's not, then you can just find it in your web browser. Just search for MyASUS, open the official support website, and here you can see this large icon which says download now. Click on it, then on the following page select download. You will download the installation file. Once the installation file is downloaded, just click on it and the application will install in some few minutes, and then you'll be able to open this application by pressing F12. You'll have to sign into this application before starting using it, and then you'll be able to select this option right here, system update and check for updates that are specific to your laptop and you cannot reach them through the Windows update. You can also run system diagnosis here by either selecting quick checkup by tapping this icon right here, and then check if all of your devices hardware elements work properly or not, and just in case fix them if this program can do this automatically, or just contact a support service if it doesn't. You can also run some specific tests for your device's hardware right here by hitting the checkbox next to the element that you want to check and clicking checkup after that. And the last thing I want to mention is the battery health in general, because batteries do get old and they do get worse in productivity. And just to check how old your battery is, you can open the start menu and search for CMD application, open it, and in this window input power CFG spacebar / battery report, then press enter and you'll receive this path in response. Select it, then copy it by pressing the right key. Then you can close the CMD application and then either open your web browser or your file explorer, open the path field and press Ctrl V to paste this path, and you'll end up with the battery report. Generally there is a lot to be researched here. You can just check your entire battery history for the last few days, and the main thing that we're looking for here is the design capacity and the full charge capacity. So the design capacity is the original capacity of your battery, so it was shipped to you with such capacity, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your battery, and this number over time it will only go lower, and because just batteries just wear out over time. So once you feel like using your device with your battery feels uncomfortable to you, inconvenient, and this number is significantly lower than that one, then that probably means that the only solution to your issue would be to simply go to the repair center and replace the battery on your laptop. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.